At 24, I was freshly out of college with no passion for my career. I surrendered everything to chase my dreams of traveling the world. We are all faced with a decision to follow the path that lay before us or go searching for something incredible. Come journey with me on my dirt road adventure. Good morning, guys. I just woke up in my hammock. It's pretty nice out here today. We're going to be starting off in Santa Teresa once we get out of the city. And we got quite a big journey ahead of us today, so let's start out with some breakfast. I'm traveling with my friend Deborah. Where are you going? She's embarrassed. This trip, it's gonna take an Uber, a bus, a ferry. I'll do a ferry and then another bus. Oh. The city of San Jose is the starting point for almost all travelers. I love my 2 days here, but I'm a nature lover, so I'm ready to get out of the city. Got the buses right here. This place is crazy hectic. The one problem I did run into is I forgot my bananas at the hostel. Oh, look at that bus. Gorgeous. Looks like this guy's collecting tickets up here. Hopefully I bought the right one. Where? Negative. It's a good spot right here. My day just got a lot better. My friend Deborah surprised me with banana. We're in a bus traffic jam, which I didn't see coming. But you know who did see it coming? This guy right here. Look at that. He knew this traffic jam was coming. Just driving to work. Hey, toss me a Cheeto, bro. Although it took a few hours, the gorgeous views made for a short bus ride. Also, this kid kept staring at me. Finally on the boat ride. Oh yes. The part I've been looking forward to most is this ferry because there's supposed to be a giant, nice sunset. Yeah, look at that. We'll finally go to the beaches of Santa Teresa. No one can argue with a good time lapse. Traveling is not only about the views you see, but also the people you meet. I spent the rest of the day with my new friends, Michelle and Alex from Australia. And cue video shoot. Food! I'm finally on my last bus trip to Santa Teresa. It took a lot longer than expected. My friends couldn't last another second without food. They're planning on cooking the rest of the time, save money. Right, we just switched buses. Yeah, let's see. Hey Michelle, what you guys got over here? Budget traveling is not for everyone. I'm trying to cook my own food over here. I'll watch and then eat a bunch. So, okay, this is my favorite superstar right here. This kid's been entertaining me the whole ride here. Too slow. Passing all the hostels now. I'm so excited to stay here. We went through like 6 buses. That's part of the dirt road traveling now. Trips to Santa Teresa can cost about $100. Of course, these are faster and much more comfortable, but I enjoy the adventure. Mine was $15 for all the ferries, all the buses, and the Uber. I finally get to go to our destination, Santa Teresa Beach. Should probably grab some camera gear so you can see too. Come on. That's the beach of Santa Teresa. Obviously lives up to the hype. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe below. I'll see you next time on the dirt road.